Can't access your TikTok account? Here's how to fix it. If you're unable to access your TikTok account, it can be caused by a variety of reasons such as forgotten credentials, account suspicion, or app-related issues. Let's dive in. Verify login credentials. Double-check your username and password to ensure they are correct. If you're logging in using Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, make sure to choose the appropriate method on the login page. Reset your password. You can type in your email, phone number, or username, then click on Continue. Now click on Forget Password and go through the process to reset your password. Update or reinstall TikTok. If you're using an outdated version of TikTok, updating or reinstalling the app can help fix bugs that may be preventing access. Close this, launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app TikTok. After app appears, you'll see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgo this network. Give a fresh restart to your router, then rejoin it, or also you can choose between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Disable VPN. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Click on VPN and Device Management. If you are connected to any VPN, just disconnect to it. Lastly, what you can do is close this. Launch your TikTok app, navigate to the profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right corner. Scroll down, click on the option of Report a Problem. Scroll all the way down, you'll see the option of Chat with Us, click on it. Now here you can have conversation with TikTok support team. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues preventing access to your TikTok account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.